Your tests call a real API. The API goes down. Your entire build fails even though your code is fine. Sound familiar? This is exactly why we use mocking in unit tests. Mocking is the practice of replacing real dependencies like databases, APIs, or file systems with controlled substitutes called mocks. Instead of your test code hitting a live Postgres database or making an HTTP request to Stripe, the mock stands in and pretends to be that dependency. You define exactly what the mock returns, so your test has no external surprises. The main purpose of mocking is isolation. A unit test should only test one function or module at a time. If your function calls a payment API, you don't want to test the API itself, you want to test your function's logic. Without mocking, you're testing both your code and the external system together, which makes debugging failures much harder. With a mock, you isolate your code completely. Mocks also let you control behavior and test edge cases easily. Need to test how your code handles a network timeout? Just configure the mock to throw an error. Want to test what happens when the database returns 0 results? The mock returns an empty array. You can simulate success, failure, or weird edge cases without setting up complex test data or breaking real systems. 2 more benefits: speed and verification. Mocks run in memory with no network latency or disk I/O, making tests run milliseconds instead of seconds. And most mocking libraries let you verify interactions, checking that your code called the dependency with the right arguments at the right time. This ensures your code integrates correctly, even when the real dependency isn't there. In short, mocking replaces real dependencies with fakes, giving you isolation, control, speed, and confidence in your tests. Want to master unit testing in Node? Practice at Interview Mentor. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.